like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan.
Hey y'all, what's good, what's poppin', what's going on? So the unit that I'm going to be rocking today is from YGWigs. This is a fashion cute curly pixie cut wig. Okay, yes, it's in the natural color. It's a 13 by 6 and the density is 150. So you already know I'm gonna lay in slay this and get it together. So I went ahead and cut the lace off camera, but this is the lace and everything. I did apply some foundation inside of the wig, y'all already know. And then I'm going to be laying down this unit with some Got To Be Glue freeze spray. Now you can apply this unit glueless. It is up to you. This unit can be applied glueless. Go ahead and apply the elastic band, and this is just what it's looking like without it. So the hairline is pretty decent. I didn't do any plucking or anything to it, so I decided to go ahead and put the shorter pieces behind my ear. And now I'm gonna work on the other side. As you guys can see, like, it is longer on the other side. So this is just what it looks like for like any product or anything. So I'm just parting out some baby hairs. I'm going to go ahead and spray the unit with some water. So I'm just going to get it completely saturated so we can go ahead and style it up. This is completely wet. I'm going to apply the Lotta Body mousse all over the unit, and I'm applying a generous amount because I want these curls to be popping. Alright you guys, so I decided to go ahead and cut the bang a little bit, the longer pieces. So I'm just kind of cutting in diagonal, and I'm just doing little by little because you don't want to do too much because you can't reverse cutting. So yeah, I'm just snip off a little at a time. That's just what I'm doing, and it turned out really cute. So I'm going to take some curl enhancing smoothie, and this is really going to make the curls pop, but it's also going to give them that hold to where when you go outside they will not poof out on you. Alright, so I'm going to work on my baby hairs. I did cut them down, and now I'm just curling them back because I'm going to go ahead and swoop them around and get them, how I want them to be. I'm using some Eco Styler gel. I'm taking my diffuser to the hair because it's still wet, but I also don't want to lose the curl and I don't want it to frizz out. So yeah, the diffuser did really good with this hair and it kept the curls. It looks so cute. So as always, I went ahead and put some concealer in the parting. I decided to go ahead and cut that sideburn short because it was just sticking out and it was not giving, like, it wasn't giving. But yes, y'all, so here is the unit. Super cute, perfect for summer. It's not heavy, it's not hot. And I really actually like this on me. I think it turned out really cute. Yes, honey. Hey crew, so we have now made it to the end of the video. As you guys know, this unit is from YGWigs. As you guys know, this is their fashion cute curly pixie cut wig that I'm rocking, and it is definitely giving me auntie vibes. I feel like it's giving me auntie vibes. It's giving me gym wig vibes. It's giving me beach vibes. Like, this is definitely like a cute little throw on wig that you can throw on if you don't want to like do too much, because this is like perfect for summer because it's not like long, but you could definitely wear it like on vacation, to the beach, to work out. This would be a good workout wig for those of you that like to work out in wigs. It's definitely different for me. I do like short curly hair. I mean, I've worn pixie cuts like this before, but just not, I don't believe with this particular texture. So yes, it's really, really curly. I do love that about the unit. The density on it is 150, so y'all see the curls are like super juicy and full, and they look really cute. I definitely feel like you could wear this multiple ways. I was thinking about wearing it like slicked back, like completely slick it back and let the waves pop, or you can like bring the bang down into your face like this, or you can kind of do how I did, and I have it kind of like off to the side. I only did baby hairs on this side. I didn't do any on this side because the hair is longer on this side, so you weren't going to really see them. But I did cut this bang a bit, as you guys can see, just to frame my face or whatever. But it is such a cute wig. Like, it's such a cute throw on the go wig. I literally got distracted and I forgot what I was saying, but this wig is super cute. I think it's so cute. I do really like this unit. It is definitely something different, out of my comfort zone. I want to try something new. But yes, this is definitely going to be good for my short hair. The girls that like short wigs. Like I said, I feel like somebody's auntie. I feel like an auntie, however you guys say it, where y'all from. That's what it's giving. It's giving, what's up? It's giving, you know what, this hair would look so cute with a bikini, like on the beach. It would be cute with a swimsuit, like on the beach. Because that's what it's giving me. It's giving me like beachy vibes. Everybody, that's not going to be for everyone's a look. I know everybody don't like shorter wigs, but I think it's a really cute wig. I feel like it would frame my face better if I cut it shorter. But like I said, I didn't want to cut it too short because I wanted you guys to see it, how the wig came. I didn't want to alter the wig too much, but I think I am going to go ahead and cut this bang part a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and rate this unit an A. It's a really cute unit, really easy to install. It didn't give me any trouble, just super easy, straight to the point. It's a cute little pixie wig, a cute little curly pixie. Everything about YGWigs will be in the description box below. The unit that I'm rocking will also be linked in the description box below as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.